welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch my video. I really appreciate. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe because it's free. You're not going to be charged, because most people used to ask, oh, are they going to charge me money for subscribing? No, it's absolutely free. Please subscribe to our channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. The button is just down below, the red button. Click on it and you're good to go. It's very easy. In today's video, we'll be making okra soup. I'll be teaching you how to make okra soup. Stay tuned and enjoy. Bye for now.
Bye.